Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a map with the Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. So be sure to shop the links in the description. Now let's go ahead. In the app right here, we need to select our Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. We need to hit enter. And from here, we're taken into our main device settings, where you'll notice front and center, since we just set this up, we need to make a map. It says map your home. So go ahead, select that. It has tips and tricks for you, so be sure to read that. This is your first time using and setting up a robot vacuum. Basically, place the station exactly where you want it in the house, tidy up the floor, get all the objects, toys, any sort of obstructions out of the way, and then you want to make sure all of the doors to all the rooms that you want mapped are open in your house. Once you have it all tidied up and you follow those tips, select the Start Mapping button. And now it's going to go out, it's going to dispatch from the station, drive around your house, create the map, come back, it'll populate the map, and then you'll have the option to basically approve the map or edit the map as needed. So now we wait a couple of minutes while it goes and maps our floor. All right, it's back at the station. The map is finished. Take a look at it right there. And I'm going to look here to see if I'm happy with everything. How it divvied up the rooms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the map button down here. And this will take us to all of our map settings here. And I actually want to divide a room. So I'm going to select room 5. And then I think right about there is where I want to divide. Hit save. And then we'll go back. There we go. So I'm happy with my map now. Very easy to change and super simple to create your map. And if you want to go top right hand corner of the settings icon, down here we have map settings. The first one, you can toggle that on if you have multiple floors. So now we have the ability to move it to an upstairs or downstairs if we want to create another map right there. We just enabled that. And then we should have edit map. And now at the top here, we can hit that plus icon and we can add another map for the upstairs or the downstairs. So that's how you add multiple maps if needed. Make sure multi-floor mode's enabled and you're all set and ready to go.